Hello, I am your friend Lucy. I will help you practice English conversation. Lesson 3. What do you do? Hello. Hello. How are you? I am fine, thank you. How are you? I am also fine. What do you do? I am a student. Very good. What do you do? I am also a student. Great. In which class do you study? I study in class 2. Practice. Listen and repeat. Hello. 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 Listen and repeat. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Listen and repeat. How are you? How are you? I am also fine. I am also fine. Listen and repeat. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Very good. Very good. Listen and repeat. What do you do? What do you do? I am also a student. I am also a student. Listen and repeat. Great. In which class do you study? I study in class 2. I study in class 2. Conversation quiz. When Sarah says with John, "How are you?" what does John answer to her? How are you? The options are I am fine, thank you, or I am not fine. Yes, this is the right answer. I am fine, thank you. Second quiz. When John says with Sarah, "What do you do?" what does Sarah answer to him? What do you do? The options are I am a teacher or I am a student. Yes, this is the right answer. I am a student.
Third quiz.
When Sarah says with John, "In which class do you study?" what does John answer to her? The options are I study in class 2 or I study in class 5. Yes, this is the right answer. I study in class 2. Well done, you learned very well.